In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube on desktop and mobile. If you've ever finished a video and had the next one start playing before you were ready, this quick walkthrough will give you back control. It's great for staying focused, saving data, and preventing late-night rabbit holes. First, open any YouTube video on your device. You can use a web browser on your laptop or desktop, or the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. There's no special video you need. Any video will do. Let it start playing or pause it if you prefer. The setting we're about to change won't affect the current video, only what happens after it ends. Next, let's find the autoplay toggle. On a laptop or desktop, look at the bottom right of the video player. You'll see it near the CC icon for captions and the settings gear. It's a small switch labeled Autoplay. If your controls aren't visible, hover your mouse over the video player to make them appear. On mobile, the toggle is at the top of the video player. Tap once on the video if the controls are hidden, and the Autoplay switch should show up at the top. Now, turn Autoplay off. Click or tap the toggle so it changes to the off position and appears gray. That's your confirmation that it's disabled. From this point on, when your video ends, YouTube won't automatically start the next recommended video. Instead, it will stop and wait for you to decide what to play next. This doesn't interrupt what you're currently watching. It only affects what happens afterward. If you ever change your mind, you can turn autoplay back on at any time by clicking or tapping the same toggle again. It's the exact same control, just switch it back to the on position. This can be handy when you want continuous playback, like when you're following a playlist, and then you can switch it off again when you want a break between videos. That's all there is to it. Open any video, locate the autoplay toggle, bottom right on desktop, top of the player on mobile, and switch it off so it's gray. You'll immediately notice the difference the next time a video finishes. Take a moment to try it on the device you use most. And remember, you can always toggle it back on if you need continuous play later. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more intentional YouTube experience.